Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can sync files on your Dropbox to your computer app. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing is to check the file or the folder in your Dropbox account. From here, you can see that I have a new folder. However, when I look at it in my folder at my computer, my Dropbox folder right here, it is currently empty. So our goal is to show it here. So how can we do that? First, we will go here on the bottom right of our screen, and then we're going to click on Show Hidden Icons and open Dropbox. After that, go to your profile, and on the drop-down menu, go to Preferences. Then, we're going to click on Sync, and then we're going to choose Selective Sync right here. Click on Modify. As you can see, these are the files that is currently available in my Dropbox. But if I want it to also appear on my computer, you need to select those folders. So I'm going to select here and then click Update. And then Confirm. After that, go to your Dropbox folder at your computer to check. Give it a few minutes. Then click on Close. And as you can see, it is now currently viewable in my Dropbox folder at my computer. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!